This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ty Crespi. Major updating has been completed in this beachside home. New roof installation will be complete by Tuesday. The saltwater pool is only 4 years old and is the heartbeat of this property. Solar heater. Large screened porch and pool enclosure are overlooking the lushly landscaped privacy fence backyard with many fruit trees. The kitchen has been completely updated in 2018 and redesigned from an 80s typical galley-style kitchen to a larger modern functional space. With all wood white shaker cabinets, granite counters and SS appliances, wine center and extra counter space. Age 2019, AC ducts replaced 2018, electrical panel 2020. Outdoor shower, shed. Hurricane shutters, attic solar fan. Impact garage door truss straps were retrofitted. AC internal mechanics replaced in 2020. For more information, review the details below.